Hi guys, this is Sachi here. You're watching MudJar. So it's been a month. You would have all watched this video. I'll link it above if you haven't yet. So I unboxed this beautiful Philodendron Pink Princess with you all, and I'm just sharing this update because it's a new plant. It's a rare plant, and it shows different variations. Like every plant in the world will show different variation. So but this has been showing a lot of signs, and I wanted to share with you all as an update. So yeah, when I got this plant, okay, yeah, this leaf probably here, this was the one which was about to grow, and the thing you see white here was light pink. With time the pink color fades out. That happens with all the pink princess, and it's normal, quite normal, yeah. And then after that I had this other leaf which was also like a light pink on the part which you can see white right now. I'll show the updates here, what I've clicked. And then I got like this particular leaf. While growing, it was somewhat like this, very dark pinkish color on the outside. You can see some pink hues here, and then it turned out to be quite a dark leaf with a small spot here, which is a muddy pink, kind of very dull pink color. And then I had this leaf here, so you see the pink variation. So here in all the white shade, it was like this variation. So that's the, I think, beauty of your pink princesses. They always show different variations and different pink things. And then this is almost a new leaf. It's just unfolding. I don't want to disturb it. And you can see the underside of this is quite a lot of pink in color, but I think it will become more of green, and it will show some sign and spots which you can see right now as pink. So it is also showing me two more like growths here. I'll show you closely. You can see one here and one here, so there will be two more leaves. Okay, so now I'll share you what I am doing for it so that it is growing in a healthy way. So first of all, when do you know that plant is growing in a healthy way? So whenever you see the plants showing new leaves and the new foliages, and then you realize that yes, you are giving them good light conditions, water conditions, and the soil. So I have changed this in a pot. So I had got it in a pot, and then after a week I let it sit and just get comfortable. Then I changed it in my tropical mix, that is equal ratio of coco peat and compost, and then some perlite and my sand for the drainage purpose. Now I'm placing this in a very bright window, that is my south facing window. You can see on my right side here, I mean, you can see the light on my face, that's very bright. I'm showing it the south window light, and so this needs very bright light to show you the right variations. So this may survive in your medium bright light, but this needs quite bright light to show you right variations or variegations of the pink shades and the pink hues. So I'm waiting for more pink hues. As it will mature, maybe it will show me maybe a complete pink leaf, because there have been pictures which show that a lot of the leaves are completely pink. So I'm waiting for one complete pink leaf, and then it can be propagated as well. So if I do that, I'll share the update. So by far this was the update. If you have a pink princess, please note these points, and I'm sure it will help you out. And if there's anything new you know about it and I don't know about it, please do share on the comment section below, and I would love to know about it. And if you have a pink princess, please do share any tips, any new thing if you have discovered with me. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in new plant video. Bye bye, take care.